Downloading your tax return from TaxAct is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your documents. Step 1. Log into your TaxAct account. Visit the TaxAct website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using the same account you used to file your tax return. Step 2. Navigate to your tax returns. Once logged in, look for the section labeled My Tax Returns or Tax Returns. This section will display a list of all the tax returns you have filed using TaxAct. Step 3. Select the tax year. Find the specific tax year for which you want to download the return. Click on the appropriate year to proceed to the details of that return. Step 4. Download your return. Look for an option that says Download or Print next to the selected tax return. Click on this option and it will typically allow you to download the return in PDF format. Step 5. Save the document. Once the PDF opens, choose the option to save it to your computer or device. Select a location where you can easily find it later and confirm the download. Now you have successfully downloaded your tax return from TaxAct. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to TaxAct's customer support.